The carpals have a very smart interplay of a lot of muscles, ligaments and tendons. Of course, these are present so that our wrist doesn't fall off and we can move it freely. Remember that in anatomy, there's always a reason for the existence of anything. If we go row by row and look at this bone individually, first we have scaphoid. Few fibers of abductor pollicis brevis muscle attaches to the tubercle of the scaphoid. Now lunate and triquetrum do not have any muscle attachments. Two muscles are present on the pisiform bone, flexor carpi ulnaris and abductor digiti minimi. The flexor carpi ulnaris attaches to the pisiform bone, hook of hamate and the fifth metacarpal bone. It allows for the wrist flexion and adduction. The abductor digiti minimi allows the abduction of the fifth finger. The trapezium. The flexor carpi radialis muscle runs through the deep groove on the anterior side of the trapezium bone. This surface also serves as origin to the opponent pollicis muscle and the flexor pollicis brevis muscle. The abductor pollicis brevis muscle attaches to the tubercle of the trapezium. Remember that trapezoid is void of muscle attachment. The next bone is trapezoid. Remember that trapezoid is void of muscle attachments. The oblique head of the adductor pollicis attaches to the capitate bone and flexor pollicis brevis at the deep head region. Flexor carpi ulnaris attaches to the hook of hamate and fifth metacarpal bone, allowing flexion and adduction at the wrist joint. Flexor digiti minimi brevis attaches proximally to the hook of hamate and flexor retinaculum. Opponent's digiti minimi, which is an intrinsic muscle of the hand, attaches proximally to the hook of hamate and the flexor retinaculum. Remember, lunate, triquetrum, and trapezoid do not have any muscle attachments. You can recall that trapezoid is void of muscle attachment. So we have three bones starting with the letter TTL. Let's make a mnemonic out of this. Try to learn. Now I hope you get this very well.